Bonjour à tous. Good morning. In today's class, we are going to learn about basic conversation in French language. Let's see. Conversation basique means basic conversation in English. Okay, we'll see two types of conversation here: formal conversation and informal conversation. We are taking one example where two persons met each other on a plane. They are going to some country and they met first time, and how the conversation starts we'll see now. Okay, first is a homme. L'homme means man. Okay, femme. La femme is woman. We'll see conversation between them. The first, l'homme, is asking to lady, bonjour mesdames, enchanté, nice to meet you. Then he is asking, vous appelez, vous comment? What is your name? Here, enchanté means nice to meet you. Okay. Then vous appelez vous comment? Or you can ask vous appelez comment? Means what is your name? Literally how you are called. Okay. Then we'll see her reply on the right side. Then she replied, bonjour monsieur. Okay, enchanté. Then she replied, je m'appelle Sophie. And then she asked, et vous means how about you and you. Yeah, and who you and you. Or she may ask again, vous appelez comment? Then here l'homme monsieur replied, je m'appelle Karan. Then he asked one more question. Vous êtes français? Vous êtes français? Are you French? Then she replied, no, je suis Canadian. She is saying she is Canadian, not French, français. Then again she asked, et vous? Et vous êtes Canadien? Then he replied, no, je suis India. I am Indian. Again, one more question asked by you. Vous habitez-vous? Vous habitez-vous? Where do you stay? Habiter means to stay. It's verb. Where do you stay? Où means where. Then she replied, J'habite à Paris. This Paris is Paris town. J'habite, I stay in Paris. Then again she asked, et vous? Then I replied, J'habite à Hyderabad. Okay, this basic conversation we'll see. First, he asked the lady, Bonjour madame, enchanté. Bonjour monsieur, enchanté. Vous vous appelez comment? Or vous appelez-vous comment? Then she replied, Je m'appelle Sophie. Then she asked again, et vous? Then he replied, Je m'appelle Karen. Then he asked one more question. Vous êtes française? Are you French? Then she replied, No, je suis Canadian. I am Canadian. Then she asked us, et vous? Vous êtes Canadien? Then he replied, No, je suis Amdia. Again he asked one more question. Where do you stay? Vous habitez-vous? Then she replied, J'habite à Paris. Et vous? J'habite Hyderabad. Then he replied, I'm staying in Hyderabad. And continuation, few more questions. He asked her, Vous êtes étudiante? Are you a student? Then she replied, No, je suis médecin. I am a doctor. And again, et vous and you? Then he replied, Je suis professeur the music. I am a music professor. Then he asked one more question. Parlez-vous français? Do you speak French? Then she replied, Oui. Je parle français et l'anglais. L'anglais aussi. I speak French and English also. Then she replied like that. Then he asked, Votre numéro de téléphone, s'il vous plaît. He asked her her phone number. Votre numéro de téléphone, s'il vous plaît. Then she replied, Mon numéro de téléphone est la 0032 66 0032 24 0032 24 and 12 means this one. Là, mon numéro de téléphone est le 000 okay and 32 32 24 4 and 12 is 12. Then she replied like this. In the conversation, he asked, Vous êtes étudiant? Are you a student? Then she replied, No, je suis médecin. Then she again asked him, Et vous? And how about you? What about you? Then he replied, Je suis professeur de musique. I am a music teacher. Then he asked one more question. Parlez-vous français? Do you speak French? Then she replied, Oui, je parle français et l'anglais aussi, and I can speak English also. Then he asked, votre numéro de téléphone, s'il vous plaît? She replied, mon numéro de téléphone est là 00 32 24 12. Then while closing the conversation, she gave the phone number, no? Then he said, merci mesdames. Then she replied, Daria, je vous en prie, means you are welcome. Then they close the conversation. Au revoir. A bientôt. Goodbye. See you soon. She also replied, au revoir. A bientôt. Okay, this is the basic conversation in formal way in French language. We'll see informal conversation now. There are two people, they know each other, and how their conversation will be. We'll see now. Bonjour Sophie, he knows her name. Or you can say Salut. Salut Sophie or coucou. Bonjour, it is bit of formal. Salut means hi. Or coucou, it is if you are too close, then you can use coucou. Hi Sophie, he said like that. Then she replied, Salut Karan. And she asked, Comment ça va? Comment ça va? How are you? Here, comment means how, and ça va means how are you? Okay? Then he replied, Je vais bien, merci. And he again asked her, Et toi? And you? Then she replied, Moi aussi. Je vais bien. Or simply she can say, Moi aussi. Ça va. Okay. In informal way, if you are asking the name, then you can ask her. Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? Or how are you called? Same, the reply again. Je m'appelle. My name is Sophie. Or I am called Sophie. Then he asked, Tu habites où? Where do you stay? She replied, J'habite à Delhi. He asked again, Est-ce que tu travailles? Do you work? She replied, No. Je suis étudiante. She is saying I am a student. Okay, this basic conversation, informal way. Bonjour Sophie or salut Sophie. If it is too close, you can say coucou. Salut Sophie. Then she replied, Salut Karan. Comment ça va? How are you? Then he replied, Je vais bien, merci. Et toi? And you? Then she replied again, Moi aussi, je vais bien. Or simply she can say, Ça va. If you want to ask anyone's name in informal way, you can ask, Comment tu t'appelles? Tu t'appelles comment? You can either put comma, this side or this side. Then they can reply, Je m'appelle Sophie. Tu habites où? Where do you stay? J'habite à Hyderabad. J'habite à Delhi. Est-ce que tu travailles? Are you working? No, je suis étudiante. I am a student. Or you can ask questions like, you venez-vous? Where do you venez-vous? Where are you from? Where you come from? She can reply, Je viens de New York. I am from New York. If it is informal way, you can ask, you viens tu? Answer is same. Je viens de New York. I am from New York. Or you can ask, quelle est votre nationalité? Then she can reply, no, je suis Australian. I am a Australian. Like this, we can do basic conversation in French language. Merci, au revoir, bonne journée.